Gate Coach established in 1997. In fact, it was the pioneer gate coaching institute all over India. It was established under the guidance of our energetic director, Mr. H.S. Tewatia.
I started this institute with a vision to make available quality technical coaching and guidance to each and everyone.
The Gate Coach is known for its results. We are known for the best selection ratio in the country. And because of this, we have been selected for a World Bank program under NPIU. All these results are because of the Gate Coach faculties. The Gate Coach faculties are well experienced.
And faculty management include two things. One is recruitment, another is class management. For recruitment, we hire faculty from IITs, so who have done their MTech from IIT and have teaching experience also. These faculty know how to teach students for GATE examination. Besides this, in classes, we take care to include more than one faculty for a single stream. So we are having pool of faculty who are teaching to students so that each and every concept is taken care of.
Limited batch size so that there can be better faculty-student interaction. Apart from that, we are organizing continuous personal faculty-student interaction so that if there is any problem with the students, we can handle here.
The main thing to crack any competitive exam is to handle the pressure during those 3 hours. And to cope up with that pressure, you need to do more and more practice. और उस प्रैक्टिस के लिए गेट कोच में क्या होता था कि ऑफलाइन टेस्ट भी होते थे अदर देन द ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज.
We are running online coaching. We are running online test series as per the GATE module.
TGC की बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि यहाँ कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है और यहाँ की टेस्ट सीरीज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टेस्ट सीरीज.
Our content management team is experienced enough to take care to include only necessary things. Content is updated annually, so content management team take care of syllabus, solved examples, assignments, and these things are included only on the GATE examination pattern. Nothing extra is included, nothing less is included, and it helps student to crack the examination.
I, Divyanshu Chaudhary.
I, Aarti.
I, Dushyant.
I, Gurdeep Singh.
I, Mansi Sahu.
Aspire to be the next All India Rank 1.
We have come a long way to fulfill our mission and students' dreams.